Ah, caffeine. We all know it no matter its form, whether it's coffee, tea, an energy drink, etc. We all know it as that one thing that gives us energy. But how does caffeine work? Caffeine is the most widely used drug in the world. Over 100,000 metric tons of caffeine is consumed on an annual basis. That is the equivalent to 14 Eiffel Towers. Coffee accounts for 54% of caffeine consumption in the world. Tea accounts for another 43%. Nowadays, 80% of the world population consumes a caffeinated product each day. Caffeine is a type of drug that increases energy and alertness. This is called a stimulant. A stimulant is any drug that excites any bodily function. Caffeine acts as a stimulant for the body's central nervous system. It keeps us awake by blocking one of the body's key sleep-inducing molecules. This is referred to as adenosine. Caffeine acts as an adenosine receptor antagonist. Adenosine is a substance in your body that increases sleepiness. Caffeine blocks the adenosine receptor to keep you from feeling tired. Caffeine has an immediate effect on your body. Caffeine may give us a temporary feeling of being awake, but it also has some other side effects. We might feel more nervous, have difficulties breathing, or a faster heart rate. Caffeine binds to the adenosine receptors as a result. However, unlike adenosine, it does not slow down the cell's activities. Caffeine has taken over all of the receptors that adenosine is blind to, so the cells can no longer detect it. As a result, caffeine, rather than slowing down the adenosine level, actually accelerates it. Caffeine blocks adenosine, which enhances neuron activity in the brain. When the pituitary gland notices all of the activity, it assumes there is an emergency and releases chemicals that tell adrenaline glands to generate adrenaline. This is in the case of too much caffeine being consumed. Know your limits, people. Because caffeine inhibits the capacity of adenosine to expand the blood vessels in the brain, it causes them to constrict. This, being a plus, helps treat headaches. There are treatments such as anisin, which contains caffeine in the treatment. If you have a vascular headache or anything such, the caffeine will constrict your blood vessels and will help to ease your pain. Now, ain't that great? Moral of the story: caffeine is a lovely thing, just always have it in small amounts.